Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. Today is the day I'm going to reveal that hard to get item that I got my hands on from Louis Vuitton. Stay tuned to see what it is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, I am so excited. So I got home from work and my husband had accepted a package from Louis Vuitton for me. I got home, I had to make dinner, like we hung out for a while. You know how it goes when you get home from work, you just kind of want to decompress. I was super excited to open this and it's like, let me see, it's 9:45 at night and I just couldn't wait. I was like, let me just see if I can make it light enough with these light boxes, and I could. So this is the piece that I've talked about in a couple of my vlogs that I got Tiffany from LV Coffee Lover. Thank you to you, Tiffany, for giving me your CA, your client advisor's information. She was able to order this piece for me, and I can't wait. I haven't even opened the box. Like, here it is. If seal is broken, check contents before accepting, blah, 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 blah. But everything looks good on this box. It came UPS, next day air saver. It did take a few days to actually ship out, but it is like mid to late December. So I was ecstatic that it was getting to me before Christmas. So I got home from work. I didn't do my makeup or hair. Like, this is what I look like when I got home, except my hair was up all day and I pulled it down earlier and then I just brushed it and was like, it's good enough. Like, I want to dig into this box. So without further ado, let's open it up. Really well packaged. There it is. There it is. There's that iconic orange box. So it looks like the rest of that box is just it's just paper, like filled paper, so that this didn't bounce around too much. Something else I'm going to say before I open it is this was not on my 2021 wish list. This was something that I added after, and I'm super excited. So let's open it up. And it is the desk agenda cover. I am so excited. So I was looking on Fashion File, and Fashion File had one of these available. Let me back up. So on Louis Vuitton website, it says call for availability, out of stock, and it's $600. I was looking on Fashion File and they were going for anywhere for the Monogram. It was like, there was one for like $670 maybe, something around that. But it actually had like a little smudge or something up here. And I was like, why would I pay more money for it to have that smudge? I don't know. So I just decided to reach out to Tiffany and see if that was some information that I could get from her, and it was. And I got this puppy for $600 plus tax, no shipping, I don't believe, and I'm ecstatic. I have plans for this. So the other thing about the one that was on Fashion File is it looks like online this is a new model. So there's a pocket back here, there's like a flat pocket here, and then a pocket right here. And then down here it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Oh, I'm losing my light if I do that. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then on this side, there's like a flap here. Ooh, there's a flap here, and then these card slots and a little flap pocket here. So I was watching some YouTube videos. I'd really like to use this for not only a day-to-day agenda for like whatever, but I also want to use it to plan like YouTube content so that I can be a little more organized for you guys. The other thing in this box is the textile cards. As you guys know, it's the number is R20100, and this is the Monogram cover. They did have Damier Ben covers on Fashion File, but again, they were not like brand new, or they were the old model, and I didn't want the old model. I wanted the new one. So I have plans for this. Let me show you. I was watching, like looking at some YouTube videos on like the notebooks that people put in their agendas and that kind of stuff, just trying to get a feel for like what will fit in it. And this one girl, and I will link her video down below so I can give credit where credit's due. She said she went on Amazon and bought these agendas by Disc Agenda. And I went and looked. They come in these beautiful boxes, and when you open it up, it's actually sealed, but I've already cut that seal open. And they come so nicely packaged. So then when you undo that like sealed paper, if I can get it to just let go, it comes all wrapped up like this. So I got 2 different ones, and one of them is a rose gold rings, and the other is the gold rings. I'm not sure. I think I want to stick with the rose gold. So I'll be returning one of them because I only need one. First thing is, she said she did say she had to cut it down from top to bottom to fit that. So she had to cut like that much of it off of the bottom. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that because you have to make sure that you cut it evenly so that everything sits evenly. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I haven't looked at anything else. But these are really beautiful. I may end up sending both of them back if they don't fit, but they do open really nice. So she said she cut off like this part here so that it could fit into the front and back like that. And then she had her 3 rings there. So I'm gonna have to measure and figure that out, but this is so pretty. It's like a heavy duty, like plasticky piece, and I think that it'll sit really nicely in there. So I'm super excited. I really hope that works out. Like, I really hope that works out. And then I've ordered some other things for it. Since I'm gonna link her video down below, I didn't order the same things that she has, but I did go on Etsy and I ordered a few custom things. And then I also ordered from Cloth and Paper some inserts and that kind of stuff. And so when those all get in, I will put this whole thing together and show you guys like where I ended up with this, if I decided to keep this and use it or not, and just kind of what that looks like. So I'm really excited to show you guys going forward how I'm gonna put this all together, but I am so excited to have this in my collection. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this like unboxing reveal of what I've been talking about forever now, of this piece that I got my hands on that was no longer available online. And I guess I will catch you guys next time. See you then. Bye. Except that my hair was up all day and I pulled it down for this video because let's see what's in this bad boy. Actually, without further ado, let's see what's in this bad boy, huh? So they come in these beautiful boxes and you open it up. Actually, let me show you. And they are